I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we have. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you pull me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied.
India, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another crochet braid video. I told you guys that I was going to start putting up more for you this year. I was going to try to do at least one crochet braid video a month for you guys because I had really fallen off with those. So this hair is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Like, this looks like bundles. It looks like bundles, like, period. Like, I'm so excited, you guys. So thank you so much to Ebonyline for sending me this hair to review. This is called Dalva Ultima Collagen Protein Hair. And this is in the style Deep Twist in the color 1B. Just how it looks on the pack. This is how it comes in the packaging. So basically, it says on this pack that to style it just like human hair. So literally, it is like human hair. Like, it's so amazing, you guys. So when you first open the pack, this is how it looks. Very hard, very stiff, okay? However, if you take one of these off, pop this rubber band, and then just run your fingers through it. Just to break it up, you guys. This is it. So some people may split this into like two. If you split it into two, you will get like this much per knot. I probably split this into 6. Like, that's how full it is. And you guys can see when you're looking at it right here how full the hair is. So yeah, I probably split this into like 6. I did not count, but definitely got at least 5 pieces out of this. I'm certain of that. So yeah, you guys will get to see my braiding pattern. It's the same pattern it always is, you guys. 14 braids, straight back, crisscross the middle. I have an invisible part, you guys can see here. I did not show you this in the video. I did show a little snippet of me installing the hair, but you guys know I'm gonna link my crochet braid video playlist in the description box down below. You guys can find out how to use this beater. This is a jewelry beater instead of a latch hook. You guys can see what that looks like. Love these. I will link the video on how to use this. I believe I'm positive I have a video crochet in full time, so you guys can see how to actually use this and see me actually doing it. So yeah, I don't like to show that in every video because it just takes like way too long, but yeah, you guys, it's so beautiful. Okay, let me show you guys. Gorgeous. And you guys can see how long it is. It's very long. The pack says 18 inches. Which, I mean, yeah, yes and no. So like, here it comes down here. So I always feel like 18 is shorter than this, but yeah, this is like 18 inches. So pretty, you guys. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my braiding pattern and show you a little bit of how to install, and then we will come back and I will give you guys my final thoughts.
Every time you pull me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. You know I loved you, but you lied. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we had. I've been thinking that you had to come around. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad.
I have not put any product in this hair, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All I'm gonna do to it though, you guys, is spray like some kind of conditioner mix on it. And I also think I want to hot comb the top just a little bit so it's not so like fluffy looking. So I'm gonna grab my curling wand, because that's how we're gonna do it. Grab the curling wand and I will come back and do that on camera for you guys. Okay, as you guys can see, the hair here along the invisible knot method, this right here looks really nice, but do you see how this is kind of humping, like how it humps in the middle? And it's because of the way the knots are, because this top part is not knotted in, it makes it kind of sit up. So I'm gonna try to fix that with this hot curling wand. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix that with this curling wand. So it's on 400 and I'm just doing it lightly. This hair does not revert back, I don't think. So if you do put heat on it, make sure that you don't put too much or you'll have to cut this out and replace it, and you may not have any hair to replace it with if you use everything that you buy. So just be careful with this. Oil Shine and Hold Mist. Now this does have some water mixed into it because this is an old bottle and I don't have any more. So I just have some water mixed into it and that's what I'm gonna use. Of course, I would recommend you get something for this hair because of it having like that collagen in it. You can treat it like human hair in a way, like to an extent. So I won't say buy like super expensive products, but like definitely get, you know, a Cantu or like a Shea Moisture or something, you know, from Walmart or Target or whatever, for this hair to just spray on it. Because I can feel this being like a daily routine for me, or not daily, but like when I'm going out somewhere, I definitely think that I'll be putting some of this on my hair. This is my first time doing it, so you guys can see I'm really going through it like this, and you can see all the hair that's on my hand. So that just has to be thrown out. And that's not really anything I'm super concerned with. I do have extra hair if I ever need to put any in, but this is just how it is when you first do a hair install like this. If you've done something like deep twist or something, then you probably, if you split the hair, then you probably raked it through like this. Okay, and that's just from one side. So like I said, a lot of shedding just from one side, but I'm really not concerned with that at all.
But you lied. You know I loved you, but you lied. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about who we are. I've been thinking that you're the one, and it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad.
So that was a little mini tutorial. Hopefully that helped you guys out. It was really just a snippet of me. I actually wasn't even going to show you guys, but like I said, I will link those videos in the description box down below so you guys can check those out. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I am really excited about it, you guys. Yeah, like I'm really excited about it. So I want to I don't even know, like I'm just so curious to see how the product, like how the hair is gonna last. So you guys saw that I used the Cantu Shine and Hold Mist with like a little bit of water in it, and I just sprayed that all over, and I did put just a little bit of mousse at the top. I didn't tie it down or anything, but I did put a little bit of mousse at the top. So yeah, I'm super excited to see how long this is gonna last. I haven't watched any review videos on this hair, so I think I'm gonna watch some and see if anybody like did anything to it, because it says to treat it like human hair. So I'm assuming that, let's see. It doesn't really say anything about heat, but because it says you can treat it like human hair, I would assume that I can do that. Like, it should be heat safe up to at least 400, I would assume, because that would be the way synthetic hair would work. So yeah, I might want to do some other things to this, but you guys, like, let me know what y'all think. Oh, let's talk about the price really quick. So I think each pack is about like $15. I used 3 and a little. So if you buy 4, that's good. So that's like what, 30, 45, 70, what, no, 65, like 60-ish dollars, or so, like $60. For this hair to be able to get 4 packs. And then obviously if you install it yourself and everything, it's a lot cheaper. So yeah, I'm telling you guys this because this is like a beautiful vacation hair. Right now I feel so like tropical with this hair and like this color shirt, and it's like 30 degrees outside. But yeah, you guys, I love it so much. Let me know if you guys want an update. I'm sure you do. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it in for, just because I do have some other hair videos I need to put up for you guys as well. But if I do keep it in at least 2 weeks, I'll come back and give you guys a 2-week update, because this is stunning. And at night, I'll probably just do like a few twists and then throw my button on and go to sleep. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. So once again, thank you so much to Ebonyline for sending me this hair to review. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about anything, leave them down below. I will get back to you guys. And don't forget to refer to the Crochet Braid playlist for anything you have about crochet. You guys, any questions, it's probably already answered in there. So just scroll through the videos and see if you can find what you're looking for before you comment down below if the question's already answered, you know? So yeah, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.